This is gonna be your side plank. I'm gonna start off with my hand onto the ground. With the hand, if I'm doing that, make sure I'm not compensating and dumping through the shoulder. A traditional side plank, I'm gonna be nice and long in this position here. So bottom foot driving to the ground, nice and straight into a line, shoulder is quiet, actively pressing through the hand. I wanna make sure I'm not counter rotating myself. So my chest isn't dipping forward, I'm not supporting myself down here like this. If I am, regress, drop the bottom knee, keep that top leg straight. If this is too much on the shoulder, you can go to an elbow support, still keep that knee support. If this top leg isn't having it being straight like that, you can go into what's known as a cradle position, grounding yourself through the forearm and the hand, staying nice and long through the neck, actively driving that bottom knee to feel that outer glute need activate. Or maybe this is another variation. If I want to spice it up, I can go into a side plank here, I can raise that top leg. So this is a very flexible exercise that gives you the ability to meet yourself where you're at. Whatever position we're in, make sure we're not extending through the lumbar. Again, we're not counter rotating. Make sure that shoulder's in a closed packed position. So keep the shoulder in the socket, neck is nice and long, and I'm staying nice and long through the torso here. And that's gonna be your side plank.